I'm going to show you how to create a square shape and modify it in Photoshop in less than just 60 seconds. So first thing we're going to do is navigate to the bottom left part of your Photoshop and click on the polygon tool. Then we're going to click on this little hexagon that we see here. Do not be tempted, however, to click on the rectangle, as yes, you can create a square using a rectangle tool, however it takes an additional step to do so, since you have to match height and width, which is, well, simply put, fairly annoying. Once you click on the polygon tool, however, go to the top bar and type in 4 where it says sides, and then you can click and drag on your workspace to create a square. Now, in order to modify it, you can go to the top bar and choose between fill, so that is the color that is going to be on the inside of your square, and stroke, the color and the thickness of the line that is going to be on the outside of your square. In order to create a square that I have in my thumbnail, simply choose no fill and choose the color of your choosing. In my case, it is going to be light gray. It takes quite a lot of time to create such short and condensed videos for you guys, so I would heavily appreciate a like and subscribe, as it does help out the channel a lot. I hope you are having a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.